The 2010 Toyota Tacoma. This is an access cab pickup truck with a 6-foot bed, powered by a 2.7-liter 4-cylinder engine with a 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. This vehicle, with fewer than 20,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 25 miles per gallon. This Toyota features power windows, bed liner, and tilt wheel. Safety features include front and rear side airbags and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power door locks, a CD player, and power steering. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Selman Chevrolet, a Carfax Advantage dealer.